everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the romantic Lacy shawl. For more information, please check out the description box below. Thank you for watching, commenting, and subscribing. Now let's get started. For materials, I am using 3 skeins of Red Heart with Love. This is a worsted weight acrylic yarn. You will also need a K 6.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle for weaving in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Then chain 65. To chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through. This loop on your hook never counts as a chain. Once we get to 65 chains, we can meet back up and continue. Now that we have 65 chains, we can begin row 1. To begin row 1, double crochet into the 5th chain from hook. To double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, grab your yarn, and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Now we are going to begin a repeat. Chain 2 and skip 5 chains. 5 for me is right here. And then into the 6th chain, you're going to double crochet 4 stitches. Then chain 2 and double crochet once more into that same space. Then you're just going to repeat this. Chain 2, skip 5 chains, into the 6th chain, place 4 double crochet. Then chain 2 and double crochet again into that same chain. Go ahead and repeat this all the way across, and when we come to the very end, I will meet back up again and we can begin row 2. Now here I am at the very end of row 1, and you want to skip your 5 chains and then place 4 double crochet into this very last chain. Then end the row right like that and turn to begin row 2. Row 2 is a repeating row, so we will be finishing our shawl by just repeating this row. Chain 4 and then double crochet into your very first or last double crochet right here. You want to skip 3 double crochet, this chain 2 space, and then everything next is going to be worked into this chain 2 right here, right before this cluster of 4. So the same thing into each one of these spaces. So this chain 2 in front of the cluster. Chain 2 and place 4 double crochet into the chain 2 space here. Chain 2 and double crochet into the same space. just like we were doing for row 1. So the cluster, chain 2, double crochet. Then chain 2, skip this cluster right here and a chain 2, and in this chain 2, do your 4 double crochet. Then chain 2, double crochet into the same space, chain 2, and repeat in each one of those chain 2s right before the cluster. Now here is my work so far, and I'm right here at the end. Into this stitch right here, we're going to place 4 double crochet. So now that's going to mimic what we did at the end of row 1, right there. So from here, we're just going to turn, and you begin row 2 all over again. You can repeat this until your shawl is of desired length. I hope you love making this romantic lacy shawl. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking this tutorial, sharing the YouTube link with your friends, and subscribing if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!